Hey folks, Captain James Nelson here with Dude Craft Guitars. Check out this one. It is another B-7.2. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Yeah, I'm starting to like 7 strings. I think I talked about it before where I feel more comfortable with 8s than 7s, but I'm starting to like them. Yeah, and this one's got a lot to like. As you can see, it's got a swamp ash body with the grain all dyed up in black and made to pop under a nice whitewash finish. And we did the 3x4 headstock on this, which I really like for longer scales. It gives you a lot more string options. But, you know, we'll do 7 in line too if you like. But look at that. Now, all the features, all the jazz is going to be over here in the descriptions part. So just click the Seymour part. And speaking of Seymour, look at that Black Winter. Ooh, this thing's got a lot of snap too. You know, that's what you're here for, is a sound demo. So let's give it to you. Kind of feeling in that low and slow mode, so we've got a drop G tuning on this. It's kind of cool, but let's see what we got. I'm just going to do a 16 beat loop on this rather than doing my normal big loops. Something like that. I don't know. I'll figure something out. Now this does have a tap, so I can go single coil. I should slide in on that. Let me get a little vibrato. Yeah, that'd be cool. Oh, gonna head on over, Dub, so it's in there now. Let's put a little drive. This pickup really takes off when you put some drive on it. Let's go back to single coil though. But you guys want it low. Let's go low on that. That's it. I like that. This is how we make up stuff, guys. Let's put a little more scream on it. Let's go full humbucker now. What can I say? It's an awesome, easy to like guitar. You know, I could go on and play it. I know I already have, but I'm trying to keep some of these demo videos short. There you have it. It's probably going to be, well, I know it's going to be the last one I do before Christmas, probably the last one before the end of the year. We do have the Naima coming up. I've got another video out of this, and check that out. That'll be dropped in a couple days. Might even drop about Christmas time. So anyway, all I could say is thanks again for a wonderful year here at Dude Craft Guitars, all because of you guys, and I really appreciate it a bunch. I mean, what can I say? I mean, it's just been beautiful. So here you go, Eric. Your guitar is ready. We're going to get it in the box and shipped out for you here very shortly. So thanks again for supporting Dude Craft Guitars.